kitchen adventure. Today is a very special day. Lily and Leo are standing in the middle of the kitchen. They are wearing their bright, colorful aprons. "Are you ready to cook?" asks Lily. Leo holds up 2 wooden spoons and cheers. They are going to learn how to make a healthy meal all by themselves with a little help from Arlo. Arlo, their dad, places a basket on the counter. "First, we need our vegetables," Arlo says. Lily reaches into the basket and pulls out a bunch of long, crunchy orange carrots. She learns that these vegetables are very good for helping her see better in the dark. Leo finds something green and bushy. "It looks like a tiny forest," he shouts. Arlo explains that this is broccoli. Eating green vegetables gives Leo lots of energy to run and jump outside. Leo puts the broccoli into a big, shiny bowl. "Now we need some fruit for our salad," says Lily. She finds 2 red apples. Leo finds a small container of blueberries. They learn that fruit is nature's candy because it is sweet and very healthy for their hearts. Before they can eat, they must wash the food. Arlo helps Lily lift the heavy colander. They place the vegetables inside and turn on the water. Lily loves the sound of the splashing water as it cleans the dirt away. Now it is time to mix. Leo and Lily use their wooden spoons to toss the carrots, broccoli, and apples together in the big blue bowl. "It looks like a rainbow," Leo says. They are careful not to let any pieces jump out of the bowl. Arlo brings over a special machine called a blender. He helps Leo drop in some yogurt and the blueberries. "This will be a healthy smoothie," Arlo says. Leo pushes the button and the machine goes whiz, whiz, whiz. "The meal is ready," Lily cries. She and Leo help Arlo set the table. Lily carries the plates very carefully, one at a time. Leo follows her with the colorful cloth napkins. They know that a tidy table makes a healthy meal taste even better. They all sit down to eat. Lily takes a big bite of her salad. "Crunch, crunch, crunch," she says. Arlo tells them that trying new foods is a great way to grow up. Lily feels proud that she helped cook such a delicious and healthy lunch. After their tummies are full, it is time to tidy up. Lily and Leo stand on their stools at the sink. They use sponges to make lots of soapy bubbles. "Cleaning is part of cooking too," says Leo. They both laugh as the bubbles float into the air.